In today's video, I will teach you how to make your own flyers in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and in the search bar, type in the word flyers. There are thousands of templates to choose from, and there are different designs based on the type of flyers that you are looking for. So if you would like to make a business flyer, type in the word business flyer on the search bar. And if you would like to make a school flyer, you can also type in the word school flyer. Once you've entered the keywords on the search bar, you can now browse through the template available in Canva. If you are still undecided with the design that you would like to use, you can simply enable the filters to find the exact design that you like. You can also start from scratch if you have a more specific design in mind. Once you've found your desired template, you can now customize it. In the Templates tab, you can still change the template if you change your mind. And you can also use a different template on the next page if you like. In the Elements tab, you can browse through the different graphics, illustrations, stickers, and pictures to personalize your template. You can also upload your own images, videos, and audios to make the design more personal. I highly suggest adding animations, videos, and audios if you would like to send the flyers through the internet. But if you are planning to print it out, I advise against using any animations, videos, and audios. In the Text tab, you can customize the text presets that are already available if you can't decide what font style to use. Canva also has a print-on-demand service wherein Canva will print your flyers for you and deliver it to your doorstep. Simply click on the Print Flyers option and make sure to arrange the pages as well as select the paper size, finish, and style among the provided choices. Then go ahead and fill out the shipping information to avail the service. But if you would like to print the flyers on your own, you can simply download it to your computer. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.